Welcome to our ultimate guide on flipping houses. If you're looking to turn a profit in real estate, you've come to the right place. We're talking about taking those diamond-in-the-rough properties and transforming them into must-have dream homes, all while making a tidy profit. Now, I've been doing this for years, and let me tell you, it's not just about swinging a hammer and slapping on some paint. It takes strategy, know-how, and a bit of that entrepreneurial spirit. But don't worry, I'm here to break it all down for you, step by step. Let's dive into the step-by-step process to help you flip houses successfully. Before you even think about picking up a sledgehammer, you need to know your market inside and out. Spend time online, attend open houses, and talk to real estate agents to get a feel for what's selling and what's not. Look for areas with strong demand, maybe a hot new development, or a revitalized neighborhood. Remember, location, location, location. You want to be where the buyers are, and you want to understand what they're looking for in a home. While you're scoping out the neighborhoods, keep an eye out for those hidden gems, undervalued properties with tons of potential. These are the houses that might need a little TLC but have good bones and are in desirable locations. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty and see past a little clutter or outdated decor. It's not just about finding the right property, it's also about understanding the numbers. Know the average sale price of comparable homes in the area. Factor in renovation costs to ensure a healthy profit margin. This research phase is crucial, my friends. Take your time, do your homework, and set yourself up for success from the very beginning. Alright, let's talk money. Flipping houses does require some upfront investment, but there are ways to make it work for your budget. The first and most important thing is to have your finances in order. Know your credit score, your debt-to-income ratio, and how much you can comfortably afford to borrow. You've got a few options when it comes to financing your flip. If you've got cash on hand, that's fantastic. You'll have more flexibility and potentially lower overall costs. Traditional mortgage loans are still a great option for financing a flip. And don't forget about those renovation loans. These are specifically designed for flippers and allow you to borrow money for both the purchase and the renovation costs. Another option to explore is private lending. No matter what financing route you choose, always have a contingency fund. Trust me, unexpected expenses pop up during renovations, and you need to be prepared. This is where the fun begins. With your market knowledge and financing in place, it's time to start hunting for that perfect property. One of my favorite places to look is foreclosure listings. Another great option is auction homes. Don't shy away from distressed properties. These are the houses that need a little love, maybe some cosmetic updates or even a complete overhaul. Focus on properties with good bones, solid structures, and desirable layouts. When you're evaluating a property, always think about resale value. Put yourself in the shoes of your future buyer. The right property will come along, and when it does, you'll know it's the one. You found your dream flip, the contracts are signed, and now the real work begins. This is where your vision starts to take shape. But before you go swinging that sledgehammer, you need a plan. A well-thought-out renovation plan is your roadmap to success. Start by assessing the property's needs. Remember, kitchens and bathrooms sell houses. These are the rooms where you can really add value and wow potential buyers. Focus on making smart, cost-effective upgrades that will appeal to a broad range of buyers. Congratulations! You've poured your blood, sweat, and maybe a few tears into transforming your flip, and now it's time to reap the rewards. But before you list your property, you need to make sure it's staged to sell. Staging is all about highlighting your property's best features and creating an emotional connection with potential buyers. Think about it this way, you're not just selling a house, you're selling a lifestyle. Use furniture, decor, and accessories to create a warm and inviting atmosphere. Let buyers envision themselves living in the space. In today's digital age, online listings are crucial. Make sure your property is listed on all the major real estate websites with high-quality photos and a compelling description. Price your property competitively to attract buyers and generate interest. The offers are in, the papers are signed, and you've officially sold your flip. Now it's time for the moment of truth, calculating your profit. To calculate your profit, you'll need to subtract all of your expenses from your selling price. This includes your purchase costs, renovation expenses, closing costs, and any holding costs like utilities and property taxes. The remaining amount is your gross profit. Once you've accounted for all of your expenses, you'll have a clear picture of your net profit. Now, take a moment to celebrate your accomplishment. Flipping houses is hard work, and you've successfully navigated the ups and downs of the market to turn a profit. Take the lessons you've learned, reinvest your profits, and get ready to tackle your next flip. Flipping houses can be highly profitable if done right. We've covered a lot of ground today, from market research and financing to renovation planning and staging. Remember, the key to success in this business is knowledge, preparation, and a little bit of that entrepreneurial spirit. Don't be afraid to get your hands dirty, think outside the box, and trust your instincts. Are you ready to start flipping? Let me know if you need more details.